In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell digital products on eBay. Whether you're an artist, a creator, or just looking to start a digital product business, eBay provides a great platform to connect with buyers worldwide. Let's dive in and get you started on your journey to selling digital products successfully. First things first, you want to log into your eBay account. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to create an account before proceeding. Once you're logged in, look for the Sell button, typically found at the top of your homepage. Click on it, and you'll be redirected to the selling page where the magic begins. Now that you're on the selling page, it's time to choose the right category for your product. Since you're selling digital products, you want to select either digital products directly, if available, or create a listing using the digital product category option. This step is crucial because it helps potential buyers find your products easily, streamlining the sales process. With the right category in place, the next step is to upload your digital files or provide detailed download instructions for your buyers. If your product is an image, a PDF, or software, you might need to upload the file directly. On the other hand, if it's a service or a product that requires specific download instructions, like a link to a downloadable file or access to a secure platform, make sure these details are clear and concise. A clear description not only aids in smooth transactions, but also builds trust with your buyers. Once your files or instructions are set, the time has come to set your price and clarify usage rights. Pricing can often be tricky, so do a bit of research on what similar digital products are selling for to ensure your pricing is competitive. Additionally, include details about the usage rights. This could mean specifying if your product is for personal use only, if it allows for commercial use, or if there are any restrictions. This is important as it ensures that both you and your buyer are aligned on how the product can be used after purchase. Finally, you're ready to publish your listing. Review everything to ensure all details are correct. Once satisfied, click that Publish button. After a buyer makes a purchase, it's crucial to deliver the files promptly, ensuring they receive what they've paid for without delay. Timely delivery will lead to positive feedback, which in turn can boost your visibility and credibility on the platform. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to listing and selling digital products on eBay. Remember, the key to success on eBay is clarity, trust, and great customer service. With these elements in place, you'll be on your way to becoming a successful digital product seller. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your eBay selling journey.